The collocation take a flight is its most basic form. You can adjust the tense accordingly, such as took a flight or taken a flight. Also, the article can be changed to a pronoun or other articles. For instance, take her flight, take this flight, or take the flight. It's also very useful to apply in other travel-related collocations. So you could take a ride, take a trip, take a journey. Next, we have give up. This has multiple meanings. First, to stop a habit. Second, to release, to let go. This phrasal verb has many applications across many situations. Whenever something is challenging and you can't continue anymore, or when you yield a seat to the elderly, give up can be used frequently. Last but not least, a stone's throw away is a common idiom to express distances between two locations. And it's used in many books, drama, and conversations. Imagine throwing a stone as far as you could, and that would show the description of the distance when using the idiom, a stone's throw away.